नमस्कार, वेलकम टू पीपी लर्निंग अकेडमी। मैं हूं विजयन कुमार। Recently, Pakistan pitched a very important idea in front of Arab and other Islamic countries. Pakistan is proposing something similar to NATO, the Northern Atlantic Treaty Organization. As you know, NATO is a group of countries around the Atlantic Ocean, including the US, Canada, and European nations, where the main binding point is collective security. If one country is attacked, it considered an attack on all. Article 5. Now, Pakistan is suggesting that just like a NATO, there should be an Islamic NATO with a similar Article 5 concept. At a summit of over 40 Muslim majority countries in Doha, Qatar, this proposal was discussed. The context is Israel's recent aggressive policies like the unaccepted airstrikes in Qatar with F-35 fighter jets. Many now believe that if Israel strikes Turkey or Saudi Arabia tomorrow, it could not even be surprising. Because of this, Islamic countries are thinking about collective defense. Pakistan Defense Minister and even Pakistani media have openly supported the idea of an Islamic NATO. The aim, they say, could be aggression or dominance, but purely defensive cooperation. If such a military alliance is formed, it could be change of geopolitics forever. Around 50-55 Muslim majority countries exist worldwide, and many of them might want to join for security grants. But the key question is who will lead this alliance? In NATO, everyone knows the US is a leader. In an Islamic NATO, the power struggles are inevitable. Will Turkey lead Saudi Arabia, Pakistan being the only nuclear armed Muslim country? It's possible that smaller blocs within the alliance may form, like Pakistan Turkey Corporation, which then informally takes a leadership. There are complications too. Turkey is already a NATO member. Can it part of both NATO and Islamic NATO? That seems unrealistic. If NATO sidelines Turkey due to its weak economy and strained ties with Israel, Turkey may lean more towards the Islamic blocs. Another issue, India, many Muslim majority countries have strong ties with India, trade, tourism, investment. If a future India-Pakistan war happens, will Islamic NATO back Pakistan against India? That could put Gulf and Central Asian countries in a very difficult position. Therefore, even if an Islamic NATO forms, it may not adopt Article 5, the strike NATO sense. It might instead forces on joint military projects like a missile defense and air defense or cooperative training, but there will be big challenges. Huge wealth disparity, rich Gulf states versus poor African Asian states. Technology deployment, who controls and uses advanced defense system. Political rivalries, a lack of trust between member states. Still, if Israel continues its ultra-aggressive approach, the chances of an Islamic military alliance emerging within the next 5-6 years are very high. And this could be geopolitical challenge for India, since Pakistan could be a neutral member.